Understanding the phrase, bike leg, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to delve into a phrase that might have puzzled you, bike leg. It's not a phrase you hear every day, and it's quite specific in its use. So, if you're ready to unravel its meaning and usage, stay tuned, and let's get started. The phrase, bike leg, actually comes from the world of triathlons, a type of race that includes 3 different sports: swimming, cycling, and running. The bike leg refers to the cycling part of the triathlon. Bike. This is clear enough. It refers to the bicycle that the athletes ride. Leg. In this context, leg doesn't refer to a part of the body. Instead, it refers to a section or part of the race. So when put together, bike leg is the section of the triathlon where athletes are cycling. Now that we know what bike leg means, let's see how to use it in a sentence. The athlete had a strong swim and bike leg, but struggled during the run. Training for the bike leg of the triathlon requires both speed and endurance. In both examples, bike leg is used to specifically talk about the cycling portion of a triathlon. It's important to note that bike leg is a very specific term used in the context of triathlons. You wouldn't use this phrase when talking about cycling in general or when referring to a casual bike ride. Incorrect. I had a great bike leg around the park today. Correct. I had a great bike ride around the park today. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to understanding the phrase, bike leg. We hope this video has cleared up any confusion and that you now feel comfortable using and understanding this term in context. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more English language learning content. Until next time, happy learning!